ويقولون طاعة فإذا برزوا من عندك بيت طائفة منهم غير الذي تقول والله يكتب ما يبيتون فأعرض عنهم وتوكل على الله وكفى بالله وكيلا.
They say in your presence, we obey. But when they leave your presence, a party of them meets by night to plan against what you've said. Allah takes note of all their plots. So let them alone and put your trust in Allah. Allah is sufficient as a guardian.
أفلا يتدبرون القرآن ولو كان من عند غير الله لوجدوا فيه اختلافا كثيرا.
Do they not ponder about the Quran? Had it been from any other than Allah, they would surely have found in it much inconsistency.
وإذا جاءهم أمر من الأمن أو الخوف أذاعوا به ولو ردوه إلى الرسول وإلى أولي الأمر منهم لعلمه الذين يستنبطونه منهم ولولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لاتبعتم الشيطان إلا قليلا.
Whenever they come upon any news bearing upon either security or causing consternation, they go about spreading it, whereas if they were to convey it to either the messenger or to those from among them entrusted with authority, it would come to the knowledge of those who are competent to investigate it. But for Allah's bounty and mercy upon you, weak as you were, all but a few of you would surely have followed Satan.
فقاتل في سبيل الله لا تكلف إلا نفسك وحرض المؤمنين عسى الله أن يكف بأس الذين كفروا والله أشد بأسا وأشد تنكيلا.
So, O Messenger, fight in the way of Allah. You are responsible only for yourself, and rouse the believers to fight, for Allah may well curb the might of the unbelievers. Indeed, Allah is the strongest in power, and the most terrible in chastisement.
من يشفع شفاعة حسنة يكن له نصيب منها ومن يشفع شفاعة سيئة يكن له كفل منها وكان الله على كل شيء مقيتا.
He who intercedes in a good cause shall have a share in its good result, and he who intercedes in an evil cause shall have a share in its burden. Allah watches over everything.